Hello everyone, this is Iram and today I'll share with you a very common mistake in IELTS reading that wastes a lot of your time. And what is that mistake? This mistake is matching the words from the questions with the text. Let me give you an example. Now this is our passage. It's a long passage, young children's sense of identity. Now, what do some students do? They directly go to the questions and read the questions and then underline the question keywords and then start searching these words from the passage because this question is matching paragraph question type. Now, the question is reading passage 2 has 8 paragraphs A to H. So if we go back, it has 8 paragraphs A to H. Which paragraph contains the following information? They didn't say which paragraph contains the following words. They said information. But what is a mistake? When you start searching the words rather than the information. And they're also saying you may use any letter more than once. So what is the wrong way? If you underline the words account, method, researchers, particular study, imitation, unnecessarily you are highlighting a lot of things, but you don't understand. If you don't understand it, then there is no use of highlighting. So what you need to do is first read the question, paraphrase it for yourself, understand the information so you can find it from the passage. For instance, now question number 14, let's try one. Question number 14 is an account. Now you will not be searching the word account from the passage. An account of the method used by researchers in a particular study. Now understand, what does it mean? Account means detail. Of a method, it means one method will be given. By researchers, maybe they will be using the researcher names or they might use the word experiments, etc. in a particular study. Now, in which paragraph they have given the detailed method that was used by researchers, plural. So let's go back to the passage and we'll show you. Here they said, in this paragraph, they said, in one experiment. So we can say in a particular study. Lewis and Brooks gun, 1979. It means two researchers. What they have done, dabbed some powder on the noses of children who were playing in front of mirror and then observed how often they touched their noses. So this is the method they have used. Now you see, these are not the same words, but the same information. So this is a method. These are researchers. And this is the detail given. Isn't it? It's the same thing, researchers in a particular study. So this information is given in section G. Now, if you will start searching the word account, method, researchers, particular study, you will not be able to find it. Now let's check this answer from the answer key. Question number 14. Now see, question number 14, the right answer is G. Okay, so again, when you have a reading passage that says in the question type, they say, which paragraph contains the following information? Don't try to search the same words, just read and understand and then search the information, not the words. I hope you understood. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.